Julia Barreto and Kim Chiu shine as nominees at the 2024 Asian Television Awards. Yung kay Julia naman sa View Ups din is Ingredients, The Ingredients. Kay Kim, syempre, WWSK adaptation. Yung kay Julia is The Ingredients Original sa View Ups. The two of the Philippines' brightest stars, Kim Chiu and Julia Barreto, have once again proven their immense talent and influence by earning nominations 2024 Asian Television Awards. And this recognition highlights their outstanding contributions to the industry and further cements their places and leading figures in the Philippines entertainment. And the Asian Television Awards is one of the most prestigious platforms celebrating excellence and television across the region. Kim and Julia, this nomination is not just a personal achievement but also a victory for a Filipino storytelling. Sabi nga ni ayon pa kay Kim, being nominated alongside amazing and talents across Asia is already a huge and honor. And thank you to everyone who believed in me and supported this journey. Let's keep shining. At ayon naman kay Julia, and this recognition is for my team, my supporters, and everyone who poured their hearts into this project. And I'm so grateful for this moment. Hindi biro na talagang sa daming mga artista. At syempre, malaking karangalan na rin iyon na nanomine sila kasama ibang mga taga-bansa. And this nomination for Kim and Julia reflect the growing impact of Filipino artists and production on the global entertainment landscape. Both actresses have consistently pushed to the boundaries of the craft. So, ayan, fans and industry insider are now eagerly waiting for awards night, hoping to see you both star bring home and prestigious. Sana kung sino man sa kanila, pero I hope na magwagi ang dalawa. Kung sino man sa kanila, si Kim man or si Julia, magiging masaya pa rin tayo, at least may nakuha isa sa kanila. Yun po yung para karangalan natin dito sa Pilipino, na kahit pa sa Philippines na may nakukuha, na hindi lang taga-ibang bansa yung nakukuha, di ba? So that's an update, guys. Wala pang update kung kailan ito, pero soon. Ang nakakatuwa lang dito dahil syempre, sabi nga nila nomination pa lang panalo na para sa atin dito.